Hello guys, welcome to Electronics. So today in this video tutorial I will show you how we can safely delete Ubuntu from dual boot Ubuntu and Windows operating system. So here in this is the screen when you will just boot up your laptop. You will get this is a GRUB bootloader screen. Basically this is a GNU GRUB. So here we will just delete Ubuntu, so we have to go to Windows for that. So I'm just going to Windows for that. So now Windows is booting. Okay, so now we are on Windows. Okay, so we will just right click on our Windows icon, and here we'll go to disk management, and in the disk management this window will open, and here what I will do, I'll just show you like what some memory we have created. That is one is swap memory and another is basically healthy partition. So for Linux, so this is 50.78 GB. This is our primary memory of our Ubuntu, and this is 12.70 is our swap memory. So both the memory we have to select, right click and delete. So what I'll do, I'll just right click on it and I'll just delete it, and again I'll just right click on this 15. See here, this is unallocated. Now I'll just right click on it and delete this volume as well. So fine, 63.48 GB unallocated. Now what we'll do, we'll just right click on it and we'll just extend volume, and we'll just click on next and finish. So this new volume D is now on this one, 711.51 GB again. So this is the thing we have done. Now one more thing we have to do, in this EFI system partition, still our GRUB is Ubuntu is there, GRUB bootloader is there of Ubuntu. So we also need to delete that thing, so that screen will not also come in our case whenever we will restart our system. So what we need to do, we need to just go to command prompt and right click on it, and then run as administrator and click on yes. And here what will you do, we'll just select disk part and then list disk, and then select disk 0, and then list partition, and here you can see these are the partitions we have, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So partition 4 is our C drive basically, and we have to select partition 2 because that is the EFI partition. In your case the partition name number would be different, so make sure it should be near about 100 MB, less than 100 MB. So what I'll do now, I'll just select partition 2. Partition 2 is now selected. Now assign letter X to that partition. So this part successfully assigned the drive letter or mount point. Now exit, and we'll go to now X colon. So now we are in X drive. Now if I'll just dir, so here you can see EFI is there. If we'll just move to EFI, and here if I'll just dir, here you can see Ubuntu is there. So now we need to remove this thing. So rd Ubuntu /s and then y, and then we will just hit enter, and here this is deleted now completely. Now we can exit from our command prompt. So this way our Ubuntu is completely deleted. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you guys, thank you very much.